When I visited the Van Gogh Immersive last October, I was able to write a letter to Vincent Van Gogh. In turn, he wrote a letter back to me. Following is the letter. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Hope you enjoyed today's content. Letter from Van Gogh. Donna. Your letter just arrived as I write this. Savor your time in Los Angeles. It is a garden of dreams. You must take in the vast parks. It's mesmerizing. Your letter made me think of new subjects to sketch. The appeal that this vast landscape has for me is very intense. On it, on a wave depicted against a very alive and yet tranquil background. Now to be sufficiently heated up to melt those golds and those flower tones. Not just anyone can do that. It takes an individual's whole and entire energy and attention. When I read your letter, it brought me a feel and a certain calm. There is safety in the midst of danger. What would life be if we had no courage to attempt anything? I am dedicated to work. I definitely want to paint a starry sky. It often seems to me that the night is even more richly colored than the day. Colored in the most intense violets, blues, and greens. If you look closely, you'll see that the stars are lemony. Others have a pink, green, forget-me-not, blue glow. It is clear that to paint a starry sky, it is not nearly enough to put white spots on blue-black. Well, let's keep our courage and let's not despair. Now, with a handshake, ever yours, Vincent.